If you're using CADCAM for G-code generation, you know all too well the issues caused by post-processors. Almost impossible to edit, post-processor code is cryptic and hard to understand without some kind of computer programming experience. This makes it difficult, if not impossible, to edit and tweak. And buying a new machine almost always means buying or creating a new post. Not to mention the expense every time a post needs to be created, or even minor tweaks need to be made. But now the innovators and pioneers at CNTech Inc. are ushering in a new world, a new way of thinking. With the development and release of KIPWARE G code conversion software, post-processors and post-processor editing are things of the past. Gone is the cryptic computer language, replaced with sleek interfaces using plain English phrasing. Using one master post, users convert that G-code output to output compatible with any other CNC machine in control. And a KIPWARE one-time purchase can be used on an infinite number of conversion scenarios. For too long, post-processors and CAD/CAM companies have made the transition from G-code for different machines an expensive dark art. It's time for a revolution. It's time for a seamless shop floor, where all machines and controls operate seamlessly, eliminating reposting, reprogramming, and unnecessary downtime. If you're ready for a new seamless shop floor, if you're ready to end the madness of post-processor complexity, cost and reposting and reprogramming, take a trip over to www.kipware.com and explore the innovative and pioneering KIPWARE G code conversion software from CNTech Inc. And we'll see you in your more profitable future.